All right, so we've had some glitch with YouTube this morning. I apologize. So what I'm going to do here is it is now 10 a.m. Eastern. I'm just going to go ahead and we'll run it from 10 to 11 today, okay? So apologize, had some technical difficulties, but I don't want you to miss out on today. So got a couple things already in play. We're going to look at them real quick here. First, we're going to start off with JDST. I did buy some JDST. Long JDST, got a couple targets up here. I bought JDST at 831. 831, and we're sitting at 828. Had a trade on ONCS. ONCS I did buy, but I got out. I didn't like the action. I took a loss on ONCS, lost $45 on ONCS. So the only thing I have in play right now is JDST, still long JDST. Looking for a couple targets up here on JDST. I did add on this pullback. This line right here, this yellow line, was my add-on point. Anywhere in that area, went ahead and added on some more JDST. And my first target is going to be up here around 840. 840. Very slow mover this morning. Dow's up 94. Have some indices down, so a little mixed bag. A little choppy this morning. Got to be careful. I don't have anything else up on my radar at this point. Natural gas. We are also in natural gas. Let's look at natural gas. Natural gas. All right, still on natural gas, looking for a target of 28.65. RTY, mini Russell is actually getting a buy right here on the mini Russell. Let's look at our mini Russell. All right, buy mini Russell, target is going to be 1894. $18.94 is going to be my target on the mini Russell. And if we come down to 79, 1879, I'm going to go ahead and get out. 1879. I will reverse at 1879. So that'd be a stop and reverse.
IVIO.
So still long natural gas. Also long the gold. Looking for an 1846 target on gold, long gold. I will get out at 1837. 1837 won't reverse. Not seeing anything on the currencies yet that I like. Watching the US yen, watching the Euro US. I don't see any setups there. AMAM. AMAM was a nice mover the other day. Let's take a look at AMAM. Oh, I do like AMAM. Not gonna jump in the AMAM right now. I am getting some targets up here on AMAM 610. $6.15. $6.16. All right, ONCS was a mover the other day, but it's after hitting its targets this morning, I don't see anything there that I really like. BOIL was another one that I was watching. BOIL. BL has some potential to move higher, not in BOIL. IQ was another one we were watching. IQ pretty quiet. I don't see anything there. DM. Do have some targets on DM. A lot of these I think are just going to be really slow movers today. Alright, so I'm just going to hold on to this JDST. All right, pretty quiet morning. Really surprised. Thought we were going to have a lot more volatility today, but everything is just like really, really quiet. Dow's up 104. I'm just looking to see if we have any more stocks on the radar here, and I don't see anything. GOTU. I kind of missed the boat on GOTU. FIGS. I'm not liking FIGS. Take that off the radar. INZY. Don't like that. Gonna take that off the radar. HIBS. Like to see some more volatility coming to HIBS. Take that off the radar. We just haven't had a whole lot of range on some of these. I like to see activity in the morning. I like to see a lot of range. I like to see, some volume, at least $500,000 and higher. Trying to stick with stocks below $10. AMAM says it's moving. Yeah, we have some targets up here on AMAM. I'll buy a little bit of AMAM. It's going to be a pretty tight scalp. First target, getting it a little bit late here, but first target's going to be up here at 610. So I really want to get it up to 615. And get up to 615. I'll be looking to get out of this AMAM. Watching AMAM. AMAM continuing to make new highs. Past target number 2, 615. Target hit both. 615. I had another one at 616. Very tight targets. Like the profit. Gonna go ahead and take profit on AMAM. Out of AMAM after hitting our third target. All right, only stock I have right now is JDST. Still long JDST. HPX. Added on this dip as we got closer to the yellow line here. This is just another add-on point. Still looking for some targets up here on JDST. IBIO. Like to get it up to around 840, and next one would be a little tight, 843. IBIO. Let's see, look at IBIO. QLI. Not enough volume on IBIO yet. I don't want to get into IBIO, but I do have some targets here. We have a 158. And then we have a 164. But not in IBIO. Only thing we're in now still is JDST on the move. Good morning, sir. How are you? All right. Long JDST.
HPX.
All right. In JDST 31 and also bought on the dip at 23. Still long. Looking for that first target up here on JDST of 840. And we're looking at 843. So once again, had some technical difficulties with YouTube. So what I'm doing is the first hour, just no sound. All you saw was the introduction, didn't see any charts. So hopefully we can go ahead and I'll run it for this next hour. I don't want to leave you guys out. I want to have you watch our trading. So we got a couple things on. Still long JDST. JDST is moving up nicely once again. Like to get it up to around this 340, this 840 area. We are still working a couple other things here. Let's take a look at the indices. Long RTY with an 1894 target. Would like to buy mini NASDAQ up here at 119.32 and a half. $19.32 and a half. Still long gold. Looking for a target of gold of 1846. 1846. Long natural gas. Everything's in a buy today. Natural gas 2865 is my target. Add-on would be somewhere down here around the 2783. I think RTY is getting ready to reverse.
Reverse sell.
Yeah, we just reverse short. I do like to short on this mini Russell because it is an HF1 short.
AMAM. IBIO.
QLI.
All right, looking at RTY.
AMAM.
1874. All right, 1874 is going to be my target on this mini Russell.
IBIO.
Reversal. Not unless we come back up to 1889, and I will not reverse. I'll get out. All right, short RTY, Dow's up 108. All the other indices are down except for the mini Dow, up 93. All right, so we're still long gold, still long natural gas, and now we are short the mini Russell. Holding on JDST, gonna watch JDST for an exit here. Still looking for that 1840 up here on the JDST, 840. Ah, nice. Pulled 10 cents out of JDST. Good job. Made a little bit of money on AM this morning. Hit all three targets after hitting all three targets. So we're out of that. I was watching IBIO. I don't have anything on IBIO. I do have some targets up here on IBIO. Oh, I like BRTX. Okay, I'm buying BRTX. All right, long BRTX 418. All right, first target 431.
HPX.
All right, 431, first target. All right, 435.
IBIO.
And then on the way to 440. All right, along the RTX.
HPX.
Okay, we did reverse on the mini Russell. Reversal on the mini Russell. Actually, I'm not going to reverse on the mini Russell. I'm going to stay out of the mini Russell. All right, out of the mini Russell. It's been super choppy for me this morning. Do not want to take that Russell along. All right, the only thing we have working is, let's see, we have gold. Still have gold. 1846 is going to be my target on the gold. Still only have natural gas. 2865, target on natural gas. Okay, we're going to watch this mini NASDAQ. Mini NASDAQ's going to have a buy up here at 119.32, 119.32 and a half. All right, let's watch 119.32 and a half be a buy on the mini Russell. All right, still in JDST long. BRTX. BRTX is getting kind of choppy in here. I am not going to hold on to BRTX. I don't like the action. I'm going to get out of BRTX. Take a loss on BRTX. BRTX is going to, looks like it wants to work its way lower first. We'll come revisit BRTX. A lot of eyes on ONCS. Not seeing any opportunities on ONCS. IBIO. GOTU. Nice mover. All right, I want to keep an eye on GOTU. Let's look at DM. Not in DM. I do have some targets up here for DM. On the $2 mark, but don't want to commit to anything on that. So made a little bit on AM this morning. I don't see anything there I want to get into yet. AM may be on the run again. Tell you what, I'm going to buy a little AM in here because I do like AM. All right, so AM. Have some other targets sitting up here at 615, 616, and then up to 624. Still on JDST. Looking good. Haven't violated our stops down here. So still long JDST. NAM at 616. BRTC, or are you talking about BRTX? You mean BRTX? Somebody's saying BRTC. I think it's BRTX.
AMAM.
AMAM taken off, added, going through 4 targets, taking profit up here like my profit on AMAM.
HPX.
Still on JDST. Little profit on JDST. Bought in at 31 and again at 23.
AMAM.
All right, so Einstein's throwing out some additional targets on AMAM. Let's see what it shows here. 648. Before we get there, looks like 634. Popping back into AMAM. And it's 620. Let's see. And it's 622 AMAM. Long JDST, slowly getting to my targets up here. First target's gonna be 840. 840.
RKVA. GSX, RKVA.
All right, JDST still looking good on our way to 840. Jump back in on AMAM. Bought in at 22, sitting at 25. Take a quick look at gold, see what gold's doing here. Still long gold, trying to hit a target of 1846. Still long natural gas, like to see it come up to 2065. JDST's a little quiet in here. You know what? I've got a nice little profit on that JDST. Gonna go ahead and take my profit on JDST. So that has just put me long. I re-entered AM. BIO. And DM. DM's going to be a slow mover. I could see DM coming up further. Have some 3 levels up here on DM. Not jumping in the DM. IQ was another one I was watching. We could see it pop up on IQ. I could see IQ coming up to 738. $740. So I could see IQ coming up to 740. That would be a target. HF1 target. BOIL was another one I was watching this morning. Don't like BOIL. But I do want to keep an eye on BOIL. CDIO was a really good mover the other day. I like CDIO. I'm going to buy a little bit of CDIO in here. CDIO 42, 742. Yeah, 742. Could possibly get a pullback down to... I could see it pulling back down to the 704 area. 704. All right, long CDIO. Trying to get up to 742. CDIO close to 742 target. Profit target hit. All right, CDIO hit 42 up to 49. Watching CDIO 755, 760. It's running. On 65, 66, 780, 82. Wow. Nice profit. Take my profit on CDIO. Nice run on CDIO. All right, out of CDIO. BRTX. I wasn't watching BRTX. Don't like BRTX anymore. Take that off my radar. ONCS.
RKDA.
From there. Out of CDIO. Now let's see if it has any other opportunities. We'll watch it.
RKDA.
I bought back in the AMAM. I'm still holding AMAM. Okay, getting a buy on the mini NASDAQ.
IBIO.
All right, target mini NASDAQ getting close to the top of the hour. It's going to be a target of 119.70. 119.70. Stop's going to be down here at 118.57. 118.57 and a half. Still on gold. Still looking for that 1846 target.
IBIO.
And the only stock I have on is AM. Still on AM. Tons of levels up here. Tons of levels. All right, looking for first one up 64. I'm sorry, 34, 634. If we can hit 24, probably going to 34.
RKDA.
All right, tell you what, I've got some nice profit here. I'm just going to go ahead and I want to get out of this and take my AM. All right, we are at the top of the hour. That's going to wrap it up today. Sorry for the late broadcast. Had some problems this morning with YouTube, but anyway, I wanted to at least get a good hour in here of watching us trade. If you'd like more information about my strategies, I use two of them. One's called the Einstein Formula. The other are patterns, called behavioral patterns. You can learn more about it at that link below this video. If you have any questions, the best way to get a hold of me is via my website, innovativetradingstrategies.com. Plenty of videos on YouTube under Innovative Trading Strategies.
RKDA.
All right, that's going to wrap it up today, guys. We'll be back first thing tomorrow morning. Hopefully we won't have any issues with YouTube, and we'll be live again at 9 a.m. Eastern Time. All right, y'all have a good trading day. Take care.